Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the OneDrive web app to access and manage your files directly from your browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. Matharaith. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser on your Windows desktop. This could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser you typically use. Once your browser window opens, you're ready to begin accessing OneDrive through the web. Matharaith. Now, in your browser's address bar, head over to google.com and press enter. This will take you to the Google search page where you can quickly find the OneDrive login portal. In the search bar that appears, type in OneDrive. This will bring up several search results related to Microsoft's cloud storage service. If you already have a OneDrive account, look through the search results for the official sign-in option and click on it. This will redirect you to the OneDrive login page where you can access your account. Here you'll need to enter your Microsoft account credentials, which includes your email address and password. This step is essential because OneDrive is integrated with your Microsoft account, allowing you to access all your cloud-stored files securely. After entering your credentials and signing in, you'll be directed to the OneDrive dashboard. This is your main hub where you can see an overview of all the files and folders currently stored in your OneDrive cloud storage. The dashboard gives you a quick snapshot of your most recent files, shared items, and any important documents you've been working on. Matharaith. From the dashboard, click on the My Files tab located in the left sidebar. This will display a complete list of all your files and folders that are currently stored in your OneDrive account. Here you'll see everything organized just like it would be on your local computer, making it easy to navigate and find what you need. The beauty of using the OneDrive web app is that you can manage your files directly from your browser without needing to install any additional software. Any changes you make here, whether it's uploading new files, creating folders, or editing documents, will automatically sync with your local computer files if you have the OneDrive desktop app installed. This means you can work on your files from anywhere, on any device, and your changes will always be up to date across all your devices. Matharaith. So now you know how to access and use the OneDrive web app to manage your cloud storage directly from your browser. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.